Hello and welcome to another vocabulary video on English Gram. Before I start off my video, I would like to inform my Pakistani and Indian viewers to check out the meanings of these words in the description below. So today's word is going to be starting with the letter R. The first word is raid. It relates to place and it means to enter a place suddenly as to find someone or something. Let's see the example sentence. Police raided the kidnapper's house and freed the hostages. It also means to take something secretly from a place. The example sentence is, my grandfather raided the fridge for ice cream at night. Word number 2, rain. We're not going to look at the actual meaning of this word, which is water droplets falling from the sky, but it has some other meanings as well. So we will have a look at one specific meaning, which is to shower or pour something in a large amount. The example sentence is, people were raining rose petals on their newly elected president. Word number 3, ramble. It means to write, speak at length. The example sentence is, she was rambling on about her vacation in France. Word number 4, rationalize. It means to try to explain or justify one's behavior, decision, or attitude. We have got 2 example sentences. The first is, the clerk rationalized his misbehavior at the office party. Sentence number 2, the shopkeeper rationalized the price by saying that the product was of the best quality. Word number 5, rattle. It means to cause something to make a noise like a series of knocks or raps. We've got 2 example sentences. The first, the earthquake rattled the windows of our house. Second sentence, the annoying diner was rattling spoon on his table. Well, this is all for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye.